Okay, I'm going to make this Philadelphia 3-step blueberry cheesecake. I don't have any blueberries, so I'm going to substitute strawberries. Okay, we are going to try to make a graham cracker crust. We don't have much graham cracker, so I think we should measure this. Okay, so let's see how much it is. It's not quite a cup, is it? Maybe 3/4 of a cup. Okay then. So, if this were 1 cup, we would use equal parts of sugar and shortening or coconut oil or butter. Equal parts of those and twice as much of this. So we'll have to use half of 3/4 and half of 3/4. I'll put it in that one. So half of 3/4.
Alrighty then.
Hello.
Darling?
All is well. Okay, so I have a 3/4 cup. That would be better than a 1 cup. So I shall fill this halfway up. Don't you think that's the idea now? It'll take me a moment to get this prepared. Okay, so we have so we have half of 3/4 of the cup. And now we're going to add sugar to the top. We've got our coconut oil. And our sugar. And we shall mash them about. Okay, so we've mixed that up, and we're adding twice as much graham crackers, and I'll stir this in. Okay, so now that's mixed together. So we'll put this in our pan. And we will spread it around first. And then we need to mash it down. But you know, the best way to mash it down is probably to take a piece of wax paper and put on it, and then put another smaller container like this on top of that. There we go now. A piece of wax paper put on top. Have this pretty well separated so it'll cover. Like so. And put that on top, and then we will put this on and push it down. Oops. Oops, better not move it around. That didn't work. Alright, well, it smashed it down anyway. Okay, there we go. So I only had a tiny bit of this stuff left, and yet it was able to work. And then I'll make my other stuff, and I'll pour in top.